Hey guys, Daniel here with Emma, and we're going geocaching today. So we're looking for our first cache, which is around here somewhere. We're within 3 meters. So let's see if we can find it. So this is about the northern suburbs. And Corunnaroad Beach. Be prepared, Scout motto. That is going to need to be upgraded. Plus 15. I reckon. That's a bit low nowadays. And if you ever come to Darwin, the jellyfish are actually a real threat.
And hey.
And oh yeah, didn't even see the crop.
And that's exactly how they're meant to be. You're not meant to see
meant to see it. Alright, so Emma actually found the cache to this one, but we're not going to show you where the cache is.
It took me all of 30 seconds.
But it was a very easy find.
Ooh, Daniel, come have a look at this.
What's over there? Oh wow. Wow.
Zoom in on that so I can see the... Is that the 4K?
Yeah. Wow. Huh. They're actually hanging down with the nest. Cool, so come check out this one. What was this one called? This cache was called... Life is a Beach Revisited.
It's revisited because it had to be replaced because
They
the
got
first one
muggled.
was muggled.
Alright, we'll see you at the next one. So guys, this was the cache. So, and clips contain the size, and inside is a logbook, and that's it.
I found some mushrooms.
Alright guys, that one's a could not find. We looked for about 10 minutes. But mozzies are really thick here. So, bug spray. Alright, second attempt at the end is end for Nakara. Because GPS map changed. And let's see if it's around here.
It's beautiful. Moss growing.
Yeah.
So pretty.
Alright, we'll have a look and get back to you. We found some more mushrooms. Lots. We're just not having any luck at this spot. So we might come back to this one later. Yeah, mozzies are really bad. And we don't have bug spray on, so make sure you do. Alright guys, that's how big it or slash little it is. It's tiny. Or we could say it's a huge diamond, therefore it's a huge cache. We'll go with that one.
Yeah, no.
So, and it's an official geocaching logbook.
And it is sealed, so I'm not going to open it up and sign it. 'Cause
Cool, alright, so that one's tiny. Alright, we're at the next cache, which is called Playground Time. So, our first guess was the tree. And that's where we were going to look.
it's a 15 centimetre long cache.
Yeah, I reckon it's a pretty big cache. And geocaching says that we're close to it. So, let's see if we can find it. If I find it with you guys, I'll cut it out so that you can't see it.
Whoa, green ants. Lots of green ants.
Careful of the green ants. Oh yeah, see, green ants nest.
I hit it with my arm.
Alright. Alright, gonna go in for a closer look. Another unlucky cache. We can't find it, and it's just smothered in green ants and mozzies. So we'll have to come back later when we're more prepared. So, on to the next one. Alright, so here at the next cache, and it's in there, somewhere.
Yay!
Find, which would be nice after having two unfound caches. Alright, one's within 5 meters, and 3 meters. So, let's have a look. Alright. So, oh wow, look, coloured mushrooms. Now that's not something we often get to see. We get lots of white ones. Oh, and you know what else we don't get to see? This. You tell what that is? It's a golf ball. It is. And I'm taking that golf ball. My golf ball now. I found a golf ball.
That's not what we're looking for.
Top flight. Alright. Oh.
It's an ammo case. I found another golf ball.
Yeah?
I'm not doing something.
Another golf ball. I'll go get it. You guys can go with me to get the golf ball. Ooh. Through the tree. Is that a golf ball?
Whoa, there's a massive mushroom in the
It's interesting. I don't think it's... Mark maybe was a golf ball. Focus. I picked it up already. So that one must have been here during the fire. So I don't want that one. We have fires here to burn off all the stuff so it doesn't create bad fires. Alright, so it should be here somewhere. Ow, 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 ant, ow.
What?
That was a big biting ant. Ow. It made my little toe puff up.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah.
It is very puffed up. Oh, look at that giant mushroom.
What mushroom?
Oh, there's a funny shaped mushroom.
Oh wow, look at that one.
probably not part of, it's probably part of the fungus family. It's part of the mushroom family. Hey, it's
Alright.
probably around here somewhere. Don't announce this thing.
Oh, I found it. I'll show you guys later. False alarm. I was looking at plastic. But you guys probably knew that when I saw it with the camera. And my toe. Look how swollen it's gotten. I mean, I'm not geocaching barefoot. Make sure you geocache responsibly and you wear shoes. And bug spray and sunscreen.
I'm sorry.
Oh. So here we have the cache. There we go. No bugs or anything. It was slightly open. We dropped some paper clips out of it.
Yeah, I'm trying to get a close up of what's in there.
Muzzies, there's a logbook. Standard drinks. Please do not hold this travel bug for too long. Oh, okay. That's another one we might be able to take to Japan with us.
Oops.
Oh, here's another
Let
one.
me just zoom out and get a picture of this. Here we go. This one's gorgeous. I want to take this one to Japan.
Well, there's another one here too, so we might do this one, this trackable as well. So we might come back to this one.
If nobody else has found it, we'll come back and we'll take it to Japan with us.
And we'll take those travel ones to Japan. Alright, we'll put our name on the logbook. And we'll see you at the next cache. Just saw this, guys. How awesome does that look? Weighs 28 tons. And I'm not 100% sure what it's called, but it's called Woolly Butt.